Hi everyone, I'm going to do a real quick April project pan update for you. So my life has been a mess, but I want to stick to my plan to get a monthly project pan video out. So I'm just going to do a real quick one. Spoiler alert, no other pans have been hit. There's one little possible exception. The weights have not changed. I'm not going to explain the project right now. I'm just trying to get this out. Sorry, guys. So this is my palette. These four, where's the fourth one? Over here, have been hit already. I'm supposed to do 2 a month, and it didn't happen. I am very close with this peach one, and if I did a under eyeliner with the blue, I could scrape down to the pan. So those two are probably going to be hit by next month. Honestly, I just didn't hit them this month. This was my bonus one. I didn't really make much progress. I did use it a few times though. I used this a ton, like almost every day. And then this was my blush palette that I decided to use. The highlighters, I've used this quite a bit. I thought it went down a gram in weighing it, but then it kind of came back up, so maybe it's like borderline. But I've been using the pink a lot to set my lids because the pink in my palette is a little bit dark. I've been using the highlighter like almost every time I use highlighter, but as you know, you don't use much highlighter. The bronzer had broken in the very beginning, hasn't broken since, but I put it back together. But it did cover the whole pan, and right now there's a little pan hit. It's right on the crack though, so I don't know if that counts. I'm gonna count it. Fine, I did hit pan on it. So that's really it. On my face today, I had this yard sale haul that I haven't talked about yet on the channel, but my red is a Too Faced lipstick that I got for $1. I have a red liner on, but I don't know how well that went today. And then there's actually this Bare Minerals something or other. I'll put it down below. It's Tinted Hydrating Gel Cream. It's not full coverage, but I think it did well. And then I kind of, I used this for my bronzer. I used this for my eye, and I didn't use my little random one. Sorry, dude. Anyway, that's it. I'm gonna just go and try to put this up before April ends, and I'll keep working on this stuff. When you go to work, you make very different eye looks than if you're at home, like experimenting. So it's not as fun. I feel like I can't go as colorful, but I'm trying it a little bit. It seems to be okay, but still modest, So I'll give you an update next month. Wish me luck on life. I hope you're doing okay. I hope you're safe. Hydrate, take your meds. Just try to breathe. And we'll see you next month. Bye.